NAS100 finally cooling off, or is this explosive rally just getting started? Please watch the full video. We are breaking down the NAS100 1-hour chart today, and the market structure is looking incredibly strong. We are currently locked in a clear, sustained bullish trend, marked by consistent higher highs and higher lows. With multiple break of structure points confirming this upward continuation, the buyers are undeniably in full control of the price action. As it stands, NAS100 is trading around the 27,140 level. We have witnessed a massive, high-velocity impulsive move upward, but here is the catch. There hasn't been a significant pullback yet. This suggests the market is currently in an intense expansion phase, pushing toward fresh record highs and entering a price discovery mode where resistance is thin. Let's look at our primary bullish scenario. As long as the price maintains its strength and stays above the 26,800 pivot level, the momentum remains firmly to the upside. Our next major targets for this powerful trend are 27,250, followed by 27,400, and potentially reaching the psychological milestone of 27,600. For those looking to ride this wave, keeping a stop-loss safely tucked below the 26,700 mark is the smart move. However, because the market is currently overextended, we must prepare for a potential bearish pullback. If NAS100 loses the 26,800 level and breaks its immediate structure, we could see a short-term retracement toward our deep demand zones. In this corrective scenario, our targets would be 26,500, then 26,200, and finally the major demand base at 25,900. The pro strategy here is simple. Do not chase the price at these extreme highs. Instead, wait for a healthy pullback to the established demand zones before looking for high-probability buy entries. Watch for a liquidity sweep above the recent highs. A quick drop followed by a sharp bounce is a classic trap. Stay patient, manage your risk, and let the trade come to you. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.